91% of the business owner that talk to me before, usually I will give them one piece of advice, like one ultimate advice, and usually they will ignore this ultimate advice and bad things happens on their business, and they usually will come back and ask, what should I do next? And that piece of advice is that you don't outsource your marketing to third-party agencies to do it. You have to do it on your own. You have to take control of the marketing. Now let me explain why I highlight this so much. Is because number one, marketing is the only department in a business that help you to make money. The rest of the other departments are costs. So you can't outsource it to someone else because you never know whether are they good enough. And often, like really 99% of the people who really outsource to someone else, they usually got very upset because they invest all their monies and they don't get results. So you have to understand that we have to take control of that department, because we can control how much you want to make. If you really let someone else to do it, and often they can't do a very good job for you because they have to take care of themselves, they have to take care of other clients, they need to serve other clients, they cannot just 100% focus on you. So you have to understand this point first. And a lot of people come to me and ask, okay, can I partner with you? Can I just do my own expertise and I just leave the marketing for you to do it? Now, if you try to do this, you are in a very dangerous position, because, okay, let's say they agree to start with you, they agree to start a partnership with you, and when they leave the partnership, you're dead. And a lot of people think that, okay, so I should delegate and all these things, but you don't delegate the marketing. You can delegate other accountings, admin work and so, but you never delegate your marketing, because you need to take control of your steering wheels, right? So the next question is, okay, now you know that you need to take control of your marketing, so what I should do next, right? Now, number one, if you do not have any marketing skills at all, you know zero about marketing, I think the first thing you need to equip yourself about marketing first. You can start from the basic marketing skills, and now we go to like a slightly more advanced online marketing skills and learn how they do it. And the fastest way to do it, is to learn from someone else that have been there and done that before. That's the only way that you can acquire the skills as fast as you can. You don't do trial and error, because you need your business to survive and you need to get sales at the same time. So you can't afford to try and error, because you will eventually have to spend more time, and you will eventually have to spend more hours just to fix things, because you're trial and error. Okay, so the next thing after you learn all these things, the next thing is how you want to put it into use. So usually I will advise the business owner to really like do from A to Z first, and because you get to know that which part usually will go wrong, which part actually you need to fix, and how to fix things. Once you know the process from A to Z, then you can start delegate it to your own personal teams to help you to do certain parts for you. You still don't delegate the entire things to your team members, because they might not be as good as you. So you need to take control of the key parts. Like for example, you need to monitor the cost per lead, you need to know how to monitor the cost per acquisitions, and you need to know if the cost per acquisition is so high, so what do you need to tweak. So these are the things that you need to learn. What are the key drivers, what are the key things to monitor. Then you have a daily meetings with your team members. If you are still a one-man show, then you need to discuss with yourself on a daily basis. Just look at the data and ask yourself, how can it be better? If you have teams, you have PAs, you have a person in charge, then you need to discuss with them on a daily basis. We discuss with our teams on marketing, on this key driver on a daily basis. That is where actually we manage to like fine-tune things as fast as you can, because we are looking at the data on a daily basis. So these things require some adjustment, because you might be new to this and it might be overwhelmed to this because you've never done this before. Because in your hand you are full, that you might need to like really take out certain things in order to allow this marketing come into your schedules, your time management, so that you have time to look at it. So this is a process, this is a transition process that you need to go through, and it might not be as smooth as you think, because you are comfortable in doing whatever you're doing right now. Let's say for example you are trainers, okay? You are busy with trainings, and all the things that you want is just do training, that's it. You don't want to handle other things. I want you to start really internalize the marketing as part of your business. It's just like how you internalize training as your core business, right? You need to internalize the marketing as your core, so that you know that I need to take care of the marketing at the same time, I need to take care of the training, deliver a good service at the same time. The rest, I think you can have PA to help you to do it. So that's as a start that what I recommend my people to do it. And people who listen to me, usually they can get things done fast, and they really can skyrocket their income fast. And those people who don't believe me, usually I will let them do trial and error, and usually they will come back and say, okay, how do I kickstart with you next, right? Those who are watching right now, I don't want you to go through the same same mistake like what my other people are going through right now, which they don't listen to my advice and still delegate and still find a partner to do it. I just met too many people, so I just deal with too many cases. Either the partner decided to do something else on their own because they know how to make money, they know how to bring traffic to come in. You don't know, right? So, and I also have people who outsource it and really like they don't get the result that they want. And once they started to do with me, they learn the principle and all these things, and they really get good results because I set the mindset right and I teach them the step by step how to do it. So if you find that this video resonates with you and you have friends really are struggling right now who cannot make a decision, okay, what should I do next? What should I do next? Please help me to share with them, and don't forget to subscribe to my channels. And if you want to find out more about what we do and how we can help, I think there's a link in the information sections. Just click the link and you'll be able to reach out to us.